Hello everyone, I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. Hey guys, one more time we come here and it's a breeze of Montola. At the first time I came here and all time with me Ariful Islam also here, and today I went to the garments again, and you are watching there is no new brand here.
Brand t-shirt.
We have on the new brand t-shirt. It's a new brand, and also he has on
Yeah,
the new brand.
new brand.
Or say something
It's
about
our brand. It's
yeah.
own brand.
So do you think it's look like awesome?
Yeah, I think it's look like awesome because our t-shirt color is white and the logo color is black. That's why it's so amazing.
Okay, I will not say that. You should say that it's look like awesome or not. And if you find yeah it's awesome, definitely leave a comment in comment section. And right now Azan is going on. I got a queue within very short time. So before going to my house, I thought that yes, at the first time I came here, so I can just capture myself front of the camera. That's why I've come here. Arif, it's your area, so did you come here before coming with me?
No. I didn't come here before with you. It's under the bridge, it's under the bridge. At this place, I didn't have any work. That's why I didn't come here. Just the first time I come here with you.
So why don't you come here? It's a beautiful place, it's an awesome place for you, and it's located in your area. So why don't you come here?
Yeah, I didn't know about that. That's why I didn't come here.
If I had this kind of place, definitely I could came every single day, and I could spend my free time, and I could make so many videos also here. So I don't have this opportunity. So why
Yeah.
don't you come here?
I don't. I didn't have free time. That's why I didn't come here.
I think guys,
All time I
you
was
look
so busy.
very busy man, busy guys. So do you have business or something?
Yeah, I have study and I have a little bit business, and I have some student.
So
That's
you
why-
have some students. So sometimes you can come because you are a spoken English teacher as well. So
Yeah.
sometimes you can come here with your student and you can practice with them. So is it possible for you?
Yeah, it's possible for me, but I don't have enough opportunity because I don't have partner. Just I have a one partner, you know it very well, just you. That's why I come here with you.
Yes, of course. That's why just you came with me, and
Yeah.
without me, you don't have partner.
Yeah.
He is telling that front of the camera. I don't know, and for a long time I will be his partner or not.
Yes.
I don't know exactly. So, guys, there is an amazing thing. That is, please tell me what is looking the new t-shirt.
New
Yes,
t-shirt
of
and
course.
new brand.
And also here there is the name of Arif's.
Arif.
Arif's and English, and also
and
YouTube logo. And also the book logo.
Yeah.
And we are the same name
Yeah,
name
same
is
name.
Arif and also me Arif, so that's why we have
No, I think viewers know about your name and my name.
so
Okay.
we should go right now. So I think it's a huge breeze of Montala, right?
Oh, brother, our bag is there.
But take the
I have
bag.
to. I have to take.
Take the
I have to
bag.
take our bag.
Yeah, I see. What kind of video you have made? Have you hold the camera properly or not? I see. And
Yeah.
what kind of cameraman are you? You are. So I have to check that. What kind of cameraman you
Okay.
are?
You have to close now.
Why I should close right now?
Because it's so long.
It's not long. I think I should practice more time, because if I practice when I will try to start say something in front of the camera, that time I feel very enjoy and I feel satisfied.
Oh, brother,
Speaking level is very high. So
very high.
yes, that's why
That's
I
why.
did this kind of practice session. So today I will not say more English because I'm feeling some headache as well.
Yeah.
That's why.
Same to you.
That's why.
Same to you.
Yes, of
I'm feeling so headache right now.
you are watching behind us. It's a nice background.
Yeah, it's a nice background.
It's a place background, and so if you have the place, you can visit in your area. But if you don't have the place, you can't visit this kind of area.
Yes,
You
yes.
don't have this kind of opportunity, right? So the people of the especially countryside are very happy, like us. Like us, we are very happy. We can travel. We can visit every area in our house and in our area. But the people of the city are not happy. I will say that. So, what is
Yeah.
your opinion about that?
Yeah, it's a countryside. You know, it's a cool place and noise, totally noise place. And it's-
Mind-blowing,
Yeah, mind
mind-blowing.
blowing. And this is a river place, also river place. So I think cities people are come here, then so get so lots of opportunity for year and for your mind fresh
Yes, of course, of course. The people don't have this kind of opportunity, right?
yeah.
They don't travel natural beauty as
Yeah.
well.
Yes.
Sometimes they go to travel in the riverside, but it's not natural all
Yeah,
the time.
some
right?
people didn't go for traveling because they didn't have lots of time. That's why. So you have some time, so you can go this kind of place.
Okay, my dear brothers and sisters. So today made another video. So if you like that kind of video and that kind of natural blog, so never ever forget to subscribe and hit the like button as well. And I will try to make this kind of video again. And I need your help. Please leave a comment in comment section. And your comment is very valuable.
And
I'll see you
subscribe
very
our
soon.
channel.
Yes, subscribe also this channel. And I'll see you very soon with another video. Have a nice day.
Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.